Hello, my friends. It's Wednesday, November 9th. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Have you ever met anyone or do you know someone who has a split personality? The professionals call it dissociative personality disorder. And that's someone who demonstrates different personalities and you never know who's going to show up. Well, isn't that exactly how to describe the market? You never know the face that the market is going to show you on any given day. So how do you deal with someone who appears different every single day? Difficult, right? And even more difficult, and the bigger question is, how do you deal with the market which displays dissociative identity disorder? How do you make money by dealing with this entity every day? And so that's really the question. And the answer to that question is going to determine whether you can make money trading S&P Emini futures. Now, here's a typical day, and we're looking at yesterday, Tuesday, November 8th, and the market started out slightly above the gap, slightly gap up, but then gained about 50 points and then dropped in the afternoon. Is this a split personality? Certainly is. So how do I deal with it, and how do I teach others to make money trading E-mini futures when you're dealing with an entity that has a split personality? I'll tell you how I do it, and I'll tell you how I teach it. And you might find this interesting, but no matter how the market looks, no matter the personality that the market throws at me, I know that the market is going to make 6 trade setups that I can use to trade off of. And regardless of the face that the market shows me, there are only 6 trade setups that you need to know, and the market will give you these setups or show you these setups every day, regardless of the personality that the market is demonstrating to you that day. There's the gap, support and resistance, time and price, trend, momentum, and candlestick. That's it. There are only 6 trade setups, and you can see them any day, regardless of how the market is moving. And again, there are only 3 indicators that I use. Previous day's close, right over here, my trading zone calculation based on Taylor's trading technique, and the stochastic down here. That's it. 3 indicators, 6 setups, regardless of the face that the market is showing you. And so if you have taken a course showing you hundreds of hours of videos with different faces every day, well, the market, of course, is going to show a different face every day. Are you supposed to memorize that? I just don't know. But at any rate, if you want to know how to make money trading S&P E-mini futures, regardless of the face that the market is going to show you, check out my course at timelessdollar.com. Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom. And yes, this is a plug for the course, but I'll tell you this, if you don't like the course in 30 days, you get your money back, right? You get your money back. That's how confident I am that my course is effective and will show you how to trade S&P E-mini futures the right way. So again, thanks for watching. Trade with lots of patience. This is Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I'll see you in my next video.